if you could unlock dealership-level diagnostics right from your garage. Would you do it? Meet the 2025 LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0, a professional-grade bidirectional OBD2 scanner that brings power, precision, and control straight into your hands, whether you're a DIY car lover or a professional mechanic. This tool is about to change the way you diagnose and repair cars forever. Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down what makes the PRO V 4.0 one of the most advanced automotive scanners on the market, its key features, real pros and cons, and who it's best for in 2.0 to 5 product features. The LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0 is not your average OBD2 reader. It's a top professional diagnostic system that supports both OBD1 and OBD2 vehicles. With over 200,000 car models covered worldwide, let's start with the big one: functionality. This thing does everything from reading and clearing codes, viewing live data, and performing active tests, to coding and programming ECUs just like the dealership tools. Full system diagnostics. It works across all vehicle systems: engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, BCM, TPMs, fuel, and even air conditioning. Auto-VIN and Bluetooth range instantly identifies your vehicle and connects wirelessly up to 33 feet for hassle-free mobility. Bidirectional control. Active tests. You can command components directly, like cycling the ABS pump, opening valves, or testing injectors without touching the car's controls. Now here's where the 2025 update takes things to the next level. No extra software fees. You get PMI module installation, online coding, VAG-guided functions, and auto-auth for FCA CGW vehicles all included. Customization and personalization. Modify BMW settings, unlock Benz engines after collision, disable ABS test mode, flash hidden features, and more. 37 plus reset and relearn services. Oil reset, injector coating, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, TPMs reset, transmission relearn, sunroof, EGR adaptation. You name it, it's in there. And the hardware? The LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0 runs on Android 9.0 with an 8-inch touchscreen, 5,000 mAh battery that lasts over 10 hours, and 128 GB expandable storage, giving you smooth, fast performance and all-day reliability. It even supports 25 languages, remote diagnostics, and data stream recording, making it a true global tool for workshops and serious enthusiasts alike. Want more? You can expand it with optional modules like X431, Videoscope for inspecting engines and fuel tanks, X431, SCUN for TPMs activation and sensor relearn, PROG3 programmer for advanced VAG coding. It is kits for calibration and a portable printer for printing diagnostic reports on the spot. Pros and cons. Alright, let's talk real-world pros and cons. Pros: unmatched coverage. Works with 200,000 plus global vehicle models, both OBD1 and OBD2. Dealership-level diagnostics, ECU coding, module installation, guided functions all included. Powerful hardware, fast Android system, big screen, long battery life, free software add-ons, no hidden subscription or upgrade fees for premium features. Expandable system, works with cameras, printers, and TPMs tools for full workshop functionality. Cons: it's a professional-grade tool, so it may take beginners a bit of learning to navigate all its functions. Some advanced coding or adaptations might require technical knowledge, especially for European cars. And while it's wireless, the Bluetooth range maxes out at about 33 feet. Not bad, but worth noting for large shops. Overall review: so is the LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0 worth it in 2025? Absolutely, if you're serious about diagnostics. For DIY enthusiasts, it's your ticket to independence. You can diagnose complex issues at home without paying hundreds at the shop. For professional mechanics and small garages, it's a reliable, all-in-one system that saves time, boosts efficiency, and covers nearly every car that rolls into your bay. Bottom line? The LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0 gives you dealership power at a fraction of the cost. No subscription traps, no limits, just pure diagnostic freedom. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful car tools and repair tips, and check out the link in the description to learn more or grab your LAUNCH X431 PRO V 4.0 today. You're watching Auto Repair. where we help you take control of your car's health and your wallet. See you in the next one.